In the hills of St. Anne's Bay, Jamaica, in 1887, a child was born who would one day shake empires. His name was Marcus Mosiah Garvey. The son of a stonemason, young Marcus devoured books from his father's library, learning early that knowledge was a weapon and that history had been written without him in it. By his teens, he was a printer's apprentice, then a labor organizer, leading one of Jamaica's first major strikes. He traveled through Central America and London, and everywhere he went, he saw the same wound. Black people, scattered, exploited, and told they were less. He made a vow. He would give his people a nation of the mind and a future of their own making. In 1914, back in Jamaica, Garvey founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association, the UNIA, with a thunderous creed: one God, one aim, one destiny. Then, in 1916, he sailed for America. He stepped off the boat into the roaring streets of Harlem, and Harlem would never be the same. From a stepladder on Lenox Avenue, Garvey's voice rolled like thunder. "Up, you mighty race!" he cried. "You can accomplish what you will." Within a few short years, the UNIA claimed millions of members across more than 40 countries. It was the largest black mass movement the world had ever seen. Garvey built newspapers, factories, restaurants, and hotels. And then, in 1919, he launched his boldest dream of all: the Black Star Line, a shipping company owned and operated by black people to carry goods, passengers, and pride across the Atlantic. At enormous conventions in Madison Square Garden, delegates from across the African diaspora gathered beneath the red, black, and green, the flag Garvey gave to a scattered people searching for home. His message was electric. Africa for the Africans. Black is beautiful. Self-reliance, self-respect, self-determination. But power like his made powerful enemies. J. Edgar Hoover and the United States government watched, infiltrated, and waited. In 1923, Garvey was convicted of mail fraud in a trial many called a sham. He was imprisoned and in 1927 deported from the country he had awakened. He would never set foot in America again. He died in London in 1940, poor and, for a moment, forgotten. But only for a moment. His words lit the fire of Rastafari, who hailed him as a prophet. His visions stirred Malcolm X, whose father was a Garveyite, and Kwame Nkrumah, who would free Ghana. His banner flew over the civil rights movement and the Pan-African dream. Marcus Garvey did not just speak to his time, he summoned ours. Up, you mighty race, accomplish what you will,